Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl NaturallyLj, and thank you guys so much for joining me in another video. First, let me welcome all of my brand new subscribers. You guys, my heart is so full right now. Thank you guys so much for rocking out with your girl and subscribing to my channel. You guys, we made it to surpass 5,000 subscribers. You guys, I'm so excited. I cannot thank you guys so much. I appreciate you all. Let me first shout out my 2Live crew. You guys know my 2Live crew is my social media family on Instagram. If you have not checked out 2Live crew, make sure you all follow me on Instagram. And when I go live, just come on in and join in and just have a ball with us, okay? You guys, I just got back last Monday from my 2Live crew mountain trip with my social media family, and you guys, oh my God, I cannot thank God enough for putting those people in my life. I needed them just as much as I hope they needed me. But you guys, I mean, God has a mighty way that is so sweet, and I just appreciate him for allowing me to meet people that I've been rocking out with on via social media, YouTube, Instagram. I'm not on Facebook, but just for maybe the past year, and God finally brought us all together, and we're all in group me still talking about how we miss each other, we love each other, we can't wait to do it again. But anyway, you guys, so I had to throw that in there. I did put a couple small clippets. The signal was a little bad in the mountain, so I did put a couple small clippets here on my YouTube channel so you can see, just to get an idea of the fun we had. You guys know I love you from the bottom of my heart, and thank you again so much for rocking out with me that weekend. But now let's jump right into the video. It's probably going to be one of my shortest videos ever, you guys, because I did want to come back and give you guys my 30-day update challenge on the nape of my hair, you guys. I will be inserting pictures to let you guys see, and I see a difference, you guys. I want to know what you guys think, but I definitely see a difference. I'm actually a day early, and the reason why I came a day early is because tomorrow I got some things already planned, and I didn't think I would get it done. So today, while I had just a free day, I said, okay, it's the 29th day, because tomorrow will be the actual 30th day. But I'm like, why not? Just go ahead and just knock it out the box. But you guys, if you've been following me and watching my YouTube channels videos, I came here about a month ago now with it was kind of one of those videos I just did not want to do, you guys, simply because I was embarrassed, you know. I just didn't know what was going on with the nape of my hair and why I felt like it was just either shedding or breaking off, or I don't know what was going on. But let me disclaimer this for all naturalistas. Our hair is not perfect. I mean, we're going to go through trials and tribulations with our hair, especially if you wear protective styles a lot. I know with me, I can only vouch for me, you guys, my edges, and they've actually filled in too, and we're not even going to get on top of that, talking about that right now, because the video is about the nape of my neck, the update. But you guys, nobody's hair is perfect, and y'all know me. I think that's why y'all love me so much, why y'all rock out with me, because I'm just going to keep it 100% real across the board. I was suffering about a month ago, and I'm still not where I want to be. And you guys will see in the pictures that I'm still not where I want to be. But for it to be the 29th day, and you guys, it was some day, I'm not even going to lie, I'm going to keep it real. It was some days I would forget, or some nights I would forget to oil the back of my nape. And immediately, if it was just in the middle of the night, if I would think about it, I would get up and I might be sleepy, but I was trying to massage the back of the nape of my hair, because it's a challenge. I did, like I say, miss some days, but as soon as I remembered, I went immediately to grab the oils and just started massaging. And you guys, I really wanted to come and show you guys that there is a difference from when I first took the picture up until today. You guys, I mean, today is November the 13th. I think that video was recorded on October the 14th. That's why I say I'm a day early. But you guys, I will say in the very beginning, I was just using different kind of oils. I have so many oils to choose from. Whatever I grabbed, until I started really looking into this one particular oil I'm going to tell you guys about. And that's what I kind of, probably the last half of this month, really just went in hard with massaging the nape of my neck, you guys, putting it in my hair, period. And you guys, this is a an old perm rod set, definitely stay tuned to my channel this week. You'll see what's going on with this. But you guys, I was just making sure I put this oil in my hair, just in my hair, period. And the oil is the Wild Growth Hair Oil, you guys. This is what I've been using. I can vouch for it that I've been watching this for probably a year on here on YouTube. And I said, you know what? I think it was maybe between $8 and $10 a bottle. And I'll never be without this. I will never be without this product. This will be my go-to oil right here, you guys, because I really believe within this latter part of this month, when I was starting to really use this really helped, along with the other oils, because you guys know I tried the Nape, the rosemary mint scalp and hair strengthening oil. This oil is good too. I will not lie, this oil is really good. I was using some Jamaican black castor oil, Sprinkling Inches. One of my Instagram followers has her own business, Sprinkling Inches. Once I found her product, I was using that as well. That's why I said I was using a mixture of oils until, I'm gonna be honest, I started using this. And you guys, please leave me some comments below. Let me know if you've ever tried this oil, if you plan on trying it. You guys, it is worth the money. Like I said, I'm gonna insert some pictures right now, so you guys know this was my before picture, and this is what the nape of my hair looked like, you guys. And I immediately went into just, you know, okay, LJ, you got to do something, because you can't be trying to hair no high puff and you ain't got no hair back there on the nape of your hair. And this is kind of like a low puff, you guys. This is just a, you know, it's a low puff. It ain't really, you know, you can't really see it. This is how I've been wearing my hair this week at work, you know. And now this is the final results, you guys. I'm gonna insert some pictures. I don't know where on the screen they're gonna be at, but you're gonna see my before pictures, and then here's my after pictures. And these are the results, you guys, of just making sure I massage my hair at night, the nape of my neck. Been trying my best to make sure I have my silk bonnet, you know, make sure that my ends, not the edges, my edges too, you guys, but the nape of my hair is protected. I had to go into full-blown mode. And like I say, you guys, I see the difference. This video was not about coming to ask you, do you see the difference? No, I see the difference. But I'm going to challenge myself for another 30 days. That's what I wanted to come and tell you guys. I wanted to show you guys my 29th day result, and I wanted to let you guys know I'm gonna challenge myself again. I'm not gonna stop this, because although it's filling in, I want it to be back to where it was. I just don't know. I cannot pinpoint one thing that I feel like that made my hair come, you know, it was just, I don't know if I did have some protective styles over the summer, you know, I just don't know. But I'm very, I'm not going to say I'm not going to get another protective style, because I really am thinking about it, you guys. I really am. But I'm just I'm very particular now. I got to just, whoever, you know, braids my hair or whatever I get done, I'm just going to be very specific about, you know, hey, if you're too tight, I can't deal with that, you know. Whatever, because this is our hair, you guys, and you have to, if you ain't gonna take care of a protector, who else is? So if you're going to get a protective style, braids, weaves, if that particular stylist is going in too hard on your hair, do not be afraid to let him or her know, because your edges and your nape will suffer. If not, and thank God I don't have any breakage with this right here, but I know my edges and the nape of my hair suffer, you guys. And like I said, I can't pinpoint exactly what it was, but I know it suffered. So again, you guys, thank you guys so much for tuning in to this video. Like I said, I'm trying to keep this under 10 minutes. I can't believe it. Can y'all believe it? But yeah, definitely leave me some comments below. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you guys have tried this oil. You guys, I know I talked to you guys in the last video, and you was leaving me different kind of oils. But I found an oil that I'm going to stick with. And like I said, I will say, if, you know, if it's not on hand and I just pick up some, I'm just going to make sure I keep up with this challenge. Just because it's at the 29th day, I'm not going to stop the challenge. So I'll come back again in December and show you guys another update. And that's not just for my edges, I mean my nape of my hair, I'm going to be definitely doing it on my edges too. Because I want my edges to feel back in. But just remember, you guys, nobody's hair is perfect. We're all going to go through something with our hair. It can be medications, it can be stress, it could be protective styling. It could be a number of things that will cause your hair to start breaking off, shedding, loss of hair, just coming out completely. That's why it's very important you get a weekly regimen going and stick to that routine, you guys. It's very important. So again, thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you're new to the channel, definitely make sure you subscribe. Definitely stay tuned this week. I'm going to be throwing out some more videos, you guys. You don't want to miss. I have some new a new product that I'm gonna, it's not a product, it's actually a styling tool that I'm gonna be showing you guys. I'm gonna be giving my reviews on that. So I can't wait. I was gonna do that today, but I was like, no, let me go ahead and do this challenge, get this challenge update out of the way. But you guys, if you're still rocking out with me, if you're doing the challenge as well, I'm letting you guys know I'm going for another 30 days, and I'll be back around December 13th, 14th to show you guys my second month update on the nape of my neck, okay? Or nape of my, you know, whatever that is back there. But anyway, I love you guys. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.